are training all the.
कितना manpower train केलेला असं तुम्ही already?
So far, exact numbers I won't know, but all the pediatricians have been trained who are in the general practice. They are trained in handling the PICUs, that is pediatric ICUs.
But can Goa, is there a possibility that Goa could also come under third wave?
If you look at the world statistics, yes, right now Indonesia is suffering. There are some cases in USA also in pediatric age group. But nobody can, as of now, nobody can say it definitely that third wave will affect children only.
It can affect anybody, right?
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे उरलेलं ते खंय रेडी गेला एक्झॅक्ट कारण काय हे लोक म्हणतात की
Infrastructure is ready in pediatric department of GMC as well as in specialty block.
But कितलं manpower कितला तुम्ही हे केला, ready केला, तयार केला, roughly?
Manpower, see, we have almost more than 110 pediatricians in Goa. And all of them are undergoing this PICU training. There is an expert committee which takes the review. Today also there is one meeting with expert committee. So we take review of all this preparedness.
In the past few days, we have seen that there has been control on COVID, but still then the number of deaths doesn't come down to drastically down.
No.
So, Asar, why it is so?
These deaths are because these people
Dealing-
are admitted in long back. They were on ventilators, they were having a chronic disease. Some of them have become negative, but they are having the complications of COVID.
Complicated
Yes.
side effects. And
Complications of lung fibrosis.
डॉक्टर आणि क्रिटिकल पेशंट कितले आहा अजून कोविड
Right now in super specialty, I think we have 14 in the ICU.
तुम्ही जे पहिले क्रिएट केला पण इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तो अजूनही असा डिसमेंटल केला तो
No, it is still there.
सो दॅट कुड बी यूज फॉर थर्ड वेव इफ द पॉसिबिलिटी इज समथिंग
Yes.
And is our cost the important part in this to maintain border checks, third wave, किती आता म्हणजे बॉर्डरीचे बाबा एंट्री जाता पॉईंट्स होते
It is already going on, no? That rapid antigen
इथले
test.
टुरिस्ट आता त्याचे काहीच खबर नाही चेक करता किती करता
This is not under the GMC.
No, it is not under the GMC, but your statement will really make a big concern, no?
But I think there is a check on all the borders. They are doing rapid
Influx of
antigen.
tourists are coming and
And now
going.
they are also doing
No, but are you not concerned the way number of tourists have started coming now back to Goa?
I am really concerned.
You are really concerned, okay.